I'm going to rate language learning methods. 10 is excellent, 1 is terrible. Here we go.
TV movies with subtitles.
TV or movies with subtitles, 2.
TV movies with no subtitles.
I'll say 9, a much better option.
Intensive reading.
Intensive reading is when you read a lot at a level slightly lower than you actually are. I'm going to give that a 10. Studies have shown that it's actually one of the most effective language learning methods, particularly for grammar and vocabulary.
Language exchange.
I'm going to give it a 6. It really depends on who you're exchanging language with. If they're at your level and if you're committed to both learning, it can really work well.
Total immersion.
I'll give that a 7. It depends on the person. Some people that I know have gone to Canada from Japan or Korea or whatever country and just hang around with the other Japanese or Korean students. If that's you, I'd probably give that a 1. However, if you make an effort to hang around with the local people, I'd give it a 10.
Study grammar.
Studying grammar, I'd give it a 6. It's useful, but it's not everything.
Study vocabulary.
If you don't know enough vocabulary, it's going to be very difficult to actually speak English. So studying vocabulary, I'd give that a 7 or an 8.
Take a class.
Taking a class, I'd rate it a 7. It depends on the teacher. Some teachers, I'd push it up to a 10. Some teachers, maybe a 1 or 2.
Just speak.
Just speaking, I'd give this a 10. The people that are really, really good at English are not afraid of making mistakes.
Changing settings on phone.
So changing the settings on your phone or computer to English from your native language, I would give that a 5. It's useful, but of course, it's not everything. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, if you want to support this channel, please be sure to check out membership options.